Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a return of Toyl, Time of Your Life subscription box, and this is their April box. It's got my address on the back there. So as always, if you're new to Toyl, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you know it all and you're just curious to seeing what's inside this box, you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward and stick around until the end, so then you can find out how you can win this month's box for yourself. Toyl is a monthly beauty box for women over 35 years and over. The cost of the box is £35, and that includes free shipping to the UK, and they also ship to Northern Ireland. The value of the boxes come in at over £100 or more, and you get a mix of skincare, hair care, makeup and body care. This subscription was founded by Karen, who felt that there was a gap in the subscription market for women of midlife age who not only want quality products each month, but products that work from them from a source that can tell you what's behind the blend and how to use for game-changing results. All the products are full size or travel luxe sizes, and you can opt for a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel any month as long as you cancel before the 19th. Now what I really love about this box is that towards the end of the month they bring out a spoiler for the following month, so you get to see exactly what's going to be in next month's box. And if you feel that that box isn't for you, if you were to get in touch with Toyl, then they will pause your box for you, which I thought was really good. Karen, who created Toyl, is an over 40s award-winning beauty blogger, and she's also got an Amazon bestseller book, Time of Your Life, as well. So as well as choosing products to go inside this box that are specific for our age range, they also do podcasts, they also have interviews with the brands featured inside their boxes, plus they do unboxings on their YouTube channel as well. All links and everything related to this box and the subscription you can find down below. Plus they've given me a code which is GEEK, which will entitle you to receive £5 off your first box. So click show more or a downward arrow, that will bring up my description, and all details and links and codes and things will be listed down there. So I think that's it as far as information goes. As I mentioned at the start, if you're interested in winning this box for yourself, a brand new one then, this one I'm going to be testing out in this video, then stick around until the end to find out how. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. So we've got some leaflets here. First of all is the card, and it tells you everything about this month's theme and the products inside the box, so I'll refer to this as we go along. Then there's a little message saying Happy Easter, and they've added in a Lindor egg as an added freebie. I love those. Well, who doesn't love them? Oh my gosh, they are just gorgeous. That's going to be gone quick. There's another leaflet here that tells you handy tips on prepping your eye for the ultimate eye look. It says, eyes the window to our soul. When was the last time you revisited your eye makeup? This Toyl method is fast, effective, looks amazing, and will rejuvenate your eye look in a way that you'll love in just a few minutes. And then it's all different steps there. So there's that to keep. There's a little envelope here which I'll talk to you about in a minute, but I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of the products first. Oh, look at that. I can't wait to eat that. I can't wait. So I'll go through them one by one. There's a little envelope here which I thought was so lovely. It says, for you to send to a friend. In this envelope is a pre-printed letter and one of 3 different masks. No, you don't get a choice, but they are all lovely. We should be moving out of lockdown next month, but these weeks have been hard, so we thought you might like to post this little mini treat onto a friend or family member. Tell them that you miss them, let them know that you are thinking of them and what you cannot wait to do together when you are able to. We think it will bring a smile to their face. Of course you can keep this for yourself, but this box is packed with gorgeous goodies anyway, so why not share the love? What an amazing idea is that. I love this. I'll show you what it looks like inside. So inside I've got a Skin Republic retinol hand mask. How lovely. It says, welcome to your April 2021 box. It's all about eyes. We're coming out of lockdown. Our skin is glowing from our December, January, February boxes, and we are onto makeup. Hardie, Stila and Bellapierre combine to help us create amazing eyes this month with a brand new tutorial that takes just 5 minutes. Check out our YouTube at Toyl40 and get playing to look amazing. So the first item in the box is by Hardie, and this is the Midas Touch Revitalising Eye Serum. Lifts and tightens the eye contour area and smooths appearance of fine lines, fades dark circles and diminishes puffiness, revitalises skin look, moisturises and soothes the eye area. And there's 15 mils there. Emma Hardie do really lovely skincare products. I love the Moringa Cleansing Balm, and I also love, I think it's called Prep and Prime. It's a primer, moisturiser and an SPF all in one, which is so handy, especially like when you're on holiday or you just quit, you need to apply all your skincare all at once. I do really love that. But that's what the packaging looks like. Oh, what's it going to be like? What's it going to be like? Put on quite a bit on my hand there. Yeah, it smells nice. It does smell. It's very, very subtle. The recommended retail price for this eye serum is £49. Oh, I should have said at the bottom here, the total value of this box comes in at £147. It says a lightweight eye serum that lifts and tightens the eye contour area, fades dark circles and reduces puffiness. So that's the first item in the box. Then we've got 3 products from Stila, and this is Suede Shade Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in Nude Awakening. Gorgeous, gorgeous brand. I do love the liquid eyeshadows. I have got quite a few of them now, although I have had a few for years, so I think it's about time that I get rid of them. I don't want to. Look. Okay. Ooh, that's strange. That's a strange shade. I wonder if it's more like a primer or a colour corrector. So it says here, gorgeous liquid eyeshadow and one of 2 colours. You'll either receive Get Sassy, which doesn't show me what that one is like, or Rude Awakening. Not Rude Awakening, Nude Awakening, which is what I've got. Both perfect for a wash over the eyelid to bring it forward, and the recommended retail price is £24. That is not a shade that I would normally go for, and to be honest, I don't think I've ever tried a liquid eyeshadow in that colour before, so it's intriguing me. But yeah, initially I just thought, oh, maybe it's a eye primer or something. No, it's just gone now. I've just wiped it all away. So I am quite intrigued in seeing what it is like on my eyes, just to give quite a natural sort of finish to my eyes. So we've got a liquid eyeshadow. Next we've got a Stila Smudgestick Waterproof Eyeliner in shade Lionfish. Ooh, so it's not black. I don't think so anyway. Oh, yes it is. It's like a bronze shade. Just try a little bit there. Ooh, what's that like? Oh, it's really nice. Yeah, it's very subtle shimmer there, but it's brown. Oh, I love that. I wish we'd see more and more different coloured eyeliners in different subscription boxes, because I got a ton of black. Black is nice. I do use black. I'm wearing black today. It'd be so nice to get different colours like this. So this soft brown pencil with a hint of metallic glow to make eyes look amazing, and everyone will receive the same shade, Lionfish, and the recommended retail price is £22. And then the last Stila product is a Stay All Day liquid lipstick in shade Beso. This is going to be bright red. Wow. I love red lipsticks. I absolutely love them. Oh, what is this like? Oh, that's such a pretty shade. That is such a gorgeous shade. Oh, I love it. The recommended retail price for this lipstick is £17, and we all get the same shade, Beso. This creamy matte full coverage lip colour delivers intense moisture with bold, long-lasting colour and stays in place for up to 12 hours of continuous wear. It's bold, it's punchy, and it's perfect for spring. Yeah, really, really chuffed with that. Next, we've got some products by Bellapierre, and this is a twist up brow pencil in Cocoa 0011. I've tried a few products from Bellapierre before, but I haven't tried the brow pencil before. Ooh, very slim line there. Does the top? Ooh, I love that. I love that. It's got a little brush there. Perfect, perfect. That's the nib. Let's give it a go here. Ooh, I don't want to break it. Hold on, let's do it this way. That is really nice, actually. That is the perfect colour for me. Yeah, look at the strokes you can create. That's what I love, creating fake hairs. I do love that. That is the perfect shade for me. I'd say it's more like a taupe sort of shade. The recommended retail price for this brow pencil is £18. Brow pencils are an incredible way to perk up eyes, and this one has buildable colour for all skin tones. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a gel eyeliner, and this is Sapphire Blue. This is what excites me. This is what I mean by having different colours. I love blue eyeliners. Let's try this on my hand here. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, gorgeous to add a little pop of colour either underneath your eyes or on top. I really, really do like that. Yeah, chuffed with that. Oh, it's this gorgeous little box, isn't it? It's got lots of lovely makeup pieces. We've got the freebie, which is the lint egg. Yum. So those are all the products inside the box. The cost of this box is £35 and it has a value of £147. So I'll just gather all the products up and I'll come back. So we've got an Emma Hardie eye serum. We've got a Stila waterproof eyeliner in shade, I can't remember, in shade Lionfish. We've got a Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick. I should have taken them out really, shouldn't I? To go through them. In shade Beso. Then we got a Stila liquid eyeshadow. This is in shade Nude Awakenings, or you might receive shade Sassy. And you got a Bellapierre eyebrow pencil and a Bellapierre gel eyeliner in Sapphire Blue. And not to forget the little mask here that you could keep for yourself or pass on to a friend or family member. So yeah, I am really chuffed this month. I absolutely love this box. I think it makes a big change from all the skincare boxes that I've seen over the last couple of months. That obviously, you know, we need skincare. We need skincare, especially over the winter months. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I love makeup. I love the brand Stila. Bellapierre can be hit and miss. I've tried a few of their products, but I'm really chuffed with both of these. And I'm going to follow the downloadable eye sheet, the eyeshadow sheet. So yeah, no, I'm really chuffed with it. So thanks for Toyl for sending this box out to me. But as always, I would love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you subscribed to Toyl? Have you received your box? Or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. But if you'd like to win this box for yourself, then I'll add a link in my description that you need to click on. It'll take you to the Toyl website, and that's all you have to do is add in your name and your email and click that you'd like to sign up for a newsletter for Toyl, and you're entered into the giveaway. The winner will be picked at random towards the end of the month, and they'll be contacted by myself and also by Karen from Toyl as well. The giveaway is only available in the UK, so you'll find that link down below. But good luck if you enter. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.